Hey everybody, Cynthia here. I'm back with another Pinterest inspired collaboration project that I do with my friend Misha at Scraps&Things1. Hi Misha. I will post a link below this video so you can head on over, check her out, and show her some YouTube love. So today's project, we were supposed to do a large Matchbox style gift box in a birthday theme, and the one that inspired me was this one right here. It's Christmas. It's by Tracy Elsom, and I thought it was a really cute style, and I ended up following a tutorial by another Stampin' Up! Demonstrator called Taffy Crafting, and she's a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the UK. I followed her tutorial, and I will post a link below to that tutorial in case you would like to create one yourself. It's very easy to follow, and I think she does a great video. So the paper pad that I use is this Recollections paper pad, and it's called Memory Explosion Box, and it's just filled with really pretty pastel type papers. It has some foil paper in it, just cute little patterns. So I use this paper pad, and then I use these balloon dies here that I got from Amazon, and if they still sell them, I will post the link below. And then I used a random stamp in my stash that says, "It's your birthday." And this is my matchbook box. So here's the balloons, and I used some twine to create a bow, and then for the strings of the balloons, I fussy cut this out of the paper. It's called, it says Best Day Ever. And then I just made like a little banner piece, and I pop stuff up on pop dots. It says, "It's your birthday," and then I used a banner piece from the collection just to kind of decorate the bottom. So this is the front, and my sides I use like a rainbow kind of paper, and then more confetti paper in the back. And then it opens up. And the tutorial I followed, she shows you how to make a divider so that you can put, have two different sides, which I really, really loved. So if you want to see, like, you could fit, these are Studio G glitter glues, and you could fit 4 of these easily in this box and gift them to somebody. So anyway, this is my box, guys. I thank you so much for watching, and like I said, I will post a link below to her tutorial if you'd like to give it a try. And I thank you guys so much for watching. Take care and happy crafting.